No, 1 second. I've got Anirban Banerjee joining us now. After Amit Shah's letter, TMC government said we have planned 8 more. So Anirban, everybody is questioning that while the migrant laborers movement started even before May 4th, what are you waiting for till May 9th? Why is West Bengal government so behind?
So case in matter is that the BJP in this case, they are very used to lying in a Facebook and WhatsApp. They are used to pushing their propaganda.
No, Anirban, please. You forget about the BJP. You please tell me, so far how many trains have come to West Bengal and how many are planned? And if they are planned, why are they being planned for May 10th?
No, this is not done. You let me complete. You let GBL 5 minutes. You let me 2 minutes. Please.
What, 5 minutes?
So
No, you please answer my question.
They had asked for the trains to bring back the migrant laborers. The railway ministry did not reply. This is the fact. The flight of the migrant laborers
that's
all over
not
the
true.
country is flat out for the union government's lackadaisical plan. They had no plan whatsoever regarding the lockdown. The lockdown countrywide was enforced
So,
with 4
Anirban,
hours notice.
No, please, lockdown is more than 45 days old. Please don't tell us what happened 45 days ago. Anirban, please, this is very serious. Anirban, this is very serious. I want to ask you, every other state is getting, every other non-BJP state is also getting trains. Only West Bengal is not getting trains. That is what you mean to say.
West Bengal has got 2 trains till now. We need more trains. We also need more infrastructure.
So what is your government doing?
To check the health of the West Bengal government can do nothing when it comes to the railways. The railways belong to the Union Ministry. The railway
West Bengal government
But how is every other state managing it? Every other state is coordinating with the railways board and with the other state. There was no proposal from the West Bengal government till before Amit Shah's letter.
We cannot arrange for trains.
You can plan whatever you want sitting in your own room.
The Home Minister
But unless you approach the railways board, how are they going to do anything?
No, Shivani.
No, there is nothing with the railways board. And I am going to...
We have asked the railways to arrange for the trains. We can't force them to do anything.
No. Whichever state...
Arey Baba, the trains are coming from other states.
Not responding.
Those states are ready to send those trains. What nonsense are you talking, Anirban?
No state is sending.
I mean, there's a limit to how much you are going to make the public a fool. The West Bengal government doesn't need the trains. The other governments are arranging the trains. All you have to do is coordinate with the other states.
Have you gone through the constitution? Does the state government control railways?
Constitution.
What? This is
Who controls railways?
But the other governments are preparing the trains. All you have to do is coordinate with them. You think everybody is an idiot or what?
Railways. Give me a simple answer. Who controls railways?
GVL.
Who controls railways?
Mamata is
it the state government or the union government?
Mamata Banerjee.
Oh God, that is not even a question. GVL wants to come in.
That is a question.
Mamata Banerjee has been lying all through the COVID crisis. She has mismanaged all the entire COVID management. She has been actually not following the protocols given by the central government. She was not cooperating with the IMCT, Inter-Ministerial Committee that went to West Bengal. She is actually not listening to even experts and professionals from West Bengal, from all parts of the world. She is simply not interested. She is only interested in politics.
Why are you charging ticket fares? Why are you charging ticket fares? Why are you extorting money?
And when this
Why is this government behaving like an extortion racket? You answer this question.
Including
Why is the
non-BJP
BJP
states have
government
arranged
behaving like an extortion racket?
Why is Mamata Banerjee, why is she against migrants from West Bengal? That's the question you must answer. Why is she opposed to migrants, poor migrants from West Bengal? Why is she anti-poor? Why is she denying entry of poor migrants from West Bengal back to West Bengal?
Where is your proof?
I think this is the question that you must answer.
Give us the proof.
I'll tell you the proof. Okay, both of you please stop.
She's anti-migrant.
Give us
You
the
need
proof
to answer
or
that.
accept that you are lying.
Both of you please.
Either you give us the proof or accept that you are lying.